Hi everyone, and what's up guys. In this video I will going to represent the first game on this YouTube channel that we will create. So this is very tiny and basic game for the absolute beginners, and I think it will be interesting to make this kind of game. So when I click the run button here, we are now in our game. So we see here this nice design, we see our player that is smile to us. Actually this is kind of smiley, and we see also here the level 1, that is the text, and we will also learn about this text and UI system in Unity, game design, and so on. So when we go here, we see this nice black obstacle that's moved left and right, and this is actually animation that we will learn also in this tutorial. So when I try to get through them, also we see these nice arrows, that is nice design of game, and also we see here blue rotating cubes around the axis. So there will we use the C# script and program actually that kind of behavior, that is the cubes that rotates around the axis. And when we get on, we see this last one obstacle, that's red cube, that is going actually from one point to another, and there is a finish of the game. So when we get through it, we see this nice panel, or actually image, that show to us when we finishing up our level 1. And this will we create in our tutorial about Cube in Action games. So there we will learn about the game design, programming, basics of behavior. We will program in our C#, of course. We will also learn about animations. So these black cubes, if you see, this was made by the animations in Unity, and also this last red cube is also made by animations, but this blue cubes is actually made by programming. So in this tutorial we will learn a lot of stuff. So now we are going to create actually a new project, and we will start from the scratch to develop our game. And now when we enter in our Unity engine, in order to create a new project, we just need to click here on the new button here and give the name of the project, which is going to be Cube in Action, and say here tutorial. So because this project will be just for the tutorial, and therefore the location and organization we do not want to change anything, but we do for the this 3D or 2D, we'll put of course in 2D because this game will be in 2D mode, and this is all. So we just need to click create project and we are good to go. And now we are in our project. So in this video, as the title of the video says, we are just present our game that we will create in this tutorial, and we will organize our project. So I will go here to the assets panel actually and create a couple of folders. So right click, create, and create a folder that is going to represent and take the scripts, and one more folder which is going to be for the scenes, and one more actually which is going to be for the assets. So assets, like this. And now we just need to create a scene in order to we can save this and proceed from the next video to developing our game. So just to click here to the file, save a scene, and this show us this panel. Click on the scenes, in the file name type the name of the scene, which is going to be gameplay, and now we created the gameplay scene, and our project is now prepared for everything that we will do in it. So this is this for this video guys. Thank you for watching. From the next video we are beginning to develop our game, and that is all.